Welcome back to another video. Today's video is not going to have any of this.
What we do here is go back.
It's going to be about my Volkswagen Transporter T5. First of all, I get rid of this big man I got lying in the back. Found an old jacket. As you can see, is an absolute mess in the back of the van. This is obviously the front. These are just seat covers. They were better than the original seats underneath. So all I want to change with the front is just to get a swivel base, just so I can turn it around in the front. But yeah, it's pretty basic inside. Fitted seats. These seats are from Transit Custom. They fold and recline, and you can take them in and out if you like. Got a side unit there, need to sort that out a little bit. Got around a few stickers going on, and then this is the back. It's quite easy to put the bikes in, which is the main priority at the moment. But it'd be great if I could have something that goes across here when the seats fold down as a bed, and maybe put the bikes underneath. This was the kind of thing I was thinking of. If you have any different ideas, please drop a link in the comments. Let me know, because I'm really struggling to sort out what I'm doing with my van. Hopefully next time you see it, all the walls, panels will be carpeted, the ceiling, and we'll hopefully have some spotlights down through the middle to get rid of these lights.
Sorry about the video this week, there has no ride in. Unfortunately, I've had to self-isolate the last 2 weeks, so I haven't been able to go out on the bike. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing a bit about my van. Let me know. If you enjoyed this kind of video, I can film another video on the van. Next week we'll be back to normal with another riding video.